Welcome to Pipeliner CRM. Today we're going to talk about management and meetings. Let's say that I'm a manager of a sales team, and I want to make sure that I have visibility of how well my opportunities of all of my team are moving through the sales process. Maybe I'd like to discuss some strategy with my staff. So let's take a look at how I might do that. I'm going to click on the double gears in the upper right-hand side. This is called the Power Panel. And in the Power Panel, I might be interested in looking at something called velocity. So let's scroll down here to a checkbox that says velocity. Velocity is all about how long something is taking to get from one sales step to the next. Let's look at this. I see on the bottom of every card now I have a line, and next to that line is a number. That number indicates how long that opportunity has been in that step of the sales process. So you can see that Blue Incorporated must have just moved into step 2 because it has a number of 0. It is green, so I don't have to worry much about it. Here we have one that's in red under step 3 of my sales process, and it says 26. That means it's been 26 days and it's overdue to be moved to the next step. This idea of velocity and how long something should be in a particular step is handled by your administrator of your pipeliner. Thank you so much for joining me.